In this video, I'll show you how to check unknown login activity on Facebook using your phone. This helps you see if someone else has accessed your account from a device or location you don't recognize. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap the menu icon to open the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the option called Password and Security and tap on it. Now find the section called Where you're logged in. Tap on See All to view the full list of devices that are currently logged into your Facebook account. You will see details such as the device type, location, and the last time the account was active on that device. Carefully review the list and check if you notice any device or location that you do not recognize. If you find a suspicious login, tap on that device and select Log Out to remove it from your account immediately. After that, it is a good idea to change your password and enable two-factor authentication to make your account more secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.